our outdoor living floor is all finished. We're still working on a lot of the little details out here, but I wanted to answer a ton of the questions that I'm getting about this floor specifically. The number one question I get is this floor slippery? And the answer is definitely no. I know it's a porcelain paver. If you've been watching my social media, you know that Sun Flooring has been amazing to work with through this entire process. And that process has gone back a very long time before you ever saw it on social media being installed. And that was because I worked with them on choosing the color and the size and the grout color and everything in between for this floor. So we started off with the type that I wanted. I wanted to make sure that I got a floor that was pretty consistent in color, which this one is. This is the Blue Stone Select. I guess I'm giving you these details in case you want to go and get exactly what we have here. This is a Frontier paver, so this is the Blue Stone Select. Originally, I wanted one of a different color. It came from Italy, and we decided with supply chain issues being the way they are, let's kind of change that idea and get something that's from the United States so it'll be quicker to ship. So there's so many choices to make, but they made it so easy. We ended up going with the 12 by 24 size. We did it in a herringbone pattern. So you have to imagine we're making all these decisions as we go down. We want the landmark paver from Sun Flooring. Then, okay, what size do you want it? 12 by 24. What pattern do you want it? It's the herringbone pattern. So that's 3 or 4 different decisions there. Then we wanted to decide on the grout color that we wanted, and I wanted to go with something that looked very similar to the actual paver. I didn't want to do something that was a very big contrast, so super dark or super light, so that when it wears or if there is some stains or something, that it would all be like kind of all the same color. So that's what we decided on that. Now back to the slip resistance. We have had it, I guess it's been about 6 weeks now since it's been completely finished, and the kids have still been in the pool. They've been running back and forth, and it's extremely slip resistant. If you could be here and you could feel it, it feels a little bit like sandpaper. It has a very good, I don't know how to explain it, like a stop to it when you walk on it. It looks just like stone, but it is a porcelain paver. It's very thick, so it's very durable. We've dropped things on it, it hasn't cracked. So I guess overall, this is all to say we've been extremely happy with the product thus far. I'll come back and give you guys a review in 6 months or even a year so that we can really have some good time on it. And see where we are, but for now we've been extremely happy with it. So if you guys are in the Mobile area and you're interested in having this paver in your outdoor space or even around your pool, they can put it anywhere outside. Go to Sun Flooring, and they actually have a coupon code, or if you mention my name, the coupon code is CATH10, and that is for 10% off of the material for your outdoor space. But if you just mention my name, they'll know, and they'll give you the discount. So you guys go check out Sun Flooring and get this outdoor space. You will not regret it.